making some noise now because we're about to start. Are you ready for the party? Like those who know me, MCC believe I'm turning fire. So I'm turning fire. Fire must be fire in here. Fire! Because maybe I think China and South Africa. Who are we going to do? Maybe I can't have some say believe who shot as an army. Who's somewhere the port of the Fire! Yes, so now, ladies, are you ready? Yes, we are about to start now. That's it, peace way.
Fashion team, are you ready?
They are ready for this. Let's give a big hand for fashion team.
The camera, it's the lighting in the room. There's nothing I can do about it. It's the lighting. My camera is clean. Look, my camera is clean. The lighting in the mono. My camera is clean. It's the lighting. The lighting. Can I find so lighting? I can't do anything. I can't clean the camera because it's the lighting, guys. Can you see the difference? When I come this side, it's clearer. But Pandora dioxide, can you see?
Because they said you're on the other page.
No, it's right here. It's in the music. Eh, but it's already live.
Oh, we're not taking tables anymore. Huh? We're not taking tables anymore. What, as in like reserved specifically? Yeah, as long as you're on the reserve, you'll say. Yeah, I'm reserved. Yeah. So it's mainly you said I put both of them. Me and the one. No, I'm not smelling.
I'm warning you. This is the one I did. So be careful.
They're going to have to go around. It's already live, Kujara.
Talk to me. I can
tell. Kata. Oh, she got a bunch of already live, Kujara.
All right. team.
Kwina yapo MC vanhu vakune apo pakona murutya kuzvambuka here?
Kana.
Handi tione ngatinyatsoda welcome we yapo tinyatsoda welcome vanhu vabva kure. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, now we're about to start. Well, we already started.
Yes.
Chita basarako tite welcome one vese vashika.
Right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gladys. Some of you know me as Gigi Special. Gigi Maitapi or Dafra Karongeka. As you can see, I look lovely today. Do you want me to know my welcome, please? So, I'm so delighted to be here. Who's as excited as me to be here? First of all, I'm extremely excited because SIS MELLY is here. And then also, I'll be working with a friend, favorite DJ, tonight, Jacob.
Thank you. Thank you. Right, ladies, are we ready for SIS MELLY? My director, you came out with your design of Tonola. So, that's it. Are you ready for Mamoyo? Tati, are you ready for the Towers? SIS MELLY, she's here. That's what I'm talking about. Sanity. Should I go a gamchira? Right, Gigi, you can introduce the organizer, and also we want to do some housekeeping, and then we're going to start, please.
Thank you. I would like to invite Sis Selena to introduce our distinguished guests and to talk a little bit about this event and what's going to happen. We're not expecting a fire, but the fire exits are the ones with the arrows. There's one over there, one there, and one where you came in. The toilets, ladies are this at the front, and the gentlemen are at the back. So I will take it over to Cecilia. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. Thank you so much for taking your precious time tonight to come and be with Mamwema Diaries as we celebrate our first ever SIS MELLY's Diaries on this day, the 24th of June, in the year of our Lord 2023. I sincerely hope each and everyone traveled safely. I assure you that you are going to enjoy this ball, and it will send a message to those people that are at home and wish they were here as well. We have got a special guest amongst us. She traveled all the way from Africa. But before I introduce her, I would like to introduce my co-workers in the SIS MELLY's Diaries game. Tonight, I present and introduce to you, so many of you might know him, but you have never seen him, Mr. Gordon Changata. He is SIS MELLY's manager. And then I would like to also introduce, I call him my GG behind the scenes, but I would like to introduce to you Chelsea Chipato, who has been the treasurer since the helm of the inception of SIS MELLY's Diaries. Chelsea Chipato, my GG. I would like to introduce a lady that I've only worked with for the last 6 months, and I've learned a lot from her. She has challenged me in so many things. Ndadzidzira kuderera when it comes to this lady. She has been our event planner for this day, and she has executed it very, very well. She has for the past 6 months worked tirelessly, even at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. And the proof of the pudding is what we are seeing today. She is a qualified event planner. Her name is Auntie Danai. Okay, so this is the team that has been working behind the scenes. Lastly, let me introduce SIS MELLY herself. She came all the way from South Africa. I think most of us, we have been seeing her. Hey, Melly comes to town. Ethiopia comes to London, Melly comes to town. Or to maybe comes to town. She started SIS MELLY's diaries 4 or 5 years ago, 4, 5, 6 years ago. Some of us but the concept that was behind her is what made me follow her and want to help people the way I help people. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly ask you to be on your feet as I introduce none other than SIS MELLY. Thank you. You may take your seat. Dateta.
Jerusalema, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, tunamishilana. Jerusalema, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, tunamishilana. Dawo yami, ayikholana, buso wami, awukholana. Ilondoloze, zuhambe nami. Dawo yami, ayikholana, buso wami, awukholana. Ilondoloze.
Cherry.
seat, please?
For a minute.
Ladies, may we take a seat, please? The reason why I asked SIS MELLY to give us a dance. Hello? Hello? The reason I asked SIS MELLY to give us a dance is because we wanted to learn the new moves straight from South Africa. Hello? Yes, we wanted to learn the new moves straight from South Africa. And I did learn a move. Can we all be quiet, please, ladies and gentlemen? Right, we've got Reverend Shangaya, who's going to perform for us. But before he does that, I just wanted...
I love your dress.
Hello? I just wanted to say hello to everyone in a language they may relate to.
Are you okay being on camera? Yeah.
Hello.
Ladies. Hi, ladies. Hi,
Makati,
hello, everybody. Hi.
Makati,
Are you guys okay being on camera? Hello. Hi, ladies. Hi. You look fabulous, all of you. You look fantastic. Hi over there. Are you guys okay being on camera? Hi, ladies. Hi, ladies. Hi. Hi, you all look fantastic. Hi. Are you guys okay being on camera? Are you okay being on camera? Hi, ladies. You all look fabulous. Hi. Criminal. Smooth criminal. How are you? You look nice. I'm fine.
You're looking good. Hey, what's happening?
Smooth criminal. Hello. Hi. I'm just going to put you on the camera. Are you okay with that? Yes. Hi. How are you doing? Hello there. So you're right. Are you having a good time? I'll tell them to speak in English. They're very naughty. Either that or you can learn a bit of Shona. Hello, gentlemen. Hello. You all look fantastic. I'm just going to put you on camera. Hi, Mr. Tashaya. Nice to see you. Okay, guys. Are you happy now? I've literally gone round the room. I've had to take my shoes off. Hello, ladies. You look fantastic. Hey! Oh, my God. What a time to see you when I'm holding the camera. You look fabulous. How are you? Ladies, are you okay being on camera? Just say hi. Just say hi to the diaries at home. Hello. Hi, Daddy Gwiri. How are you? Hi, ladies. Hi. Are you okay? Oh, you don't want to be on the camera. Ladies, are you okay being on camera? Before I put you on camera, are you okay being on camera? Are you okay being on camera? Say hi. Say hi to the diaries. Hey. Hello, Auntie. How are you? Hello. How are you? Say hi to the diaries at home. Say hi to the diaries at home. Makadini. Ladies, say hi to the diaries at home. Thank you. Are you ladies okay being on camera? Okay, Matis, okay. Saka tukuvara vamu. GDPR. Manchere, ndinombogeza waskani. Ndinotombotamba nemvura. Inomboenda umba kwangu but inotsoka. Okay, muri kundituka ndakuzwa. Hi, Auntie. Hi. Muribo. Sorry. I want to cook block. Right. Guys, it's hard to walking around with the camera. Right. Shakanakira. Tinongo block. Block field. Thank you very much. Waita Lydia. Wono no onera ku block field. Those are ndodira vanhu vakadai so. Chenda unoonera ku block field Lydia. Unotaura zvedzungu uri ku block field.
Okay.
You cannot force people to be on camera, guys. If they don't want to come out on the video, I cannot force them. It's illegal in this country to record munasir kuda record. Aiwa, don't worry, Lorraine. Zunguru no pera because the vachano onera life ku block you. If you say anything that's not nice, I'm just gonna block you. I don't have time to be arguing with you. If mimi wacho madiku yamkaita camera. Madiku yamkatora camera. I'm literally just gonna block. I won't even entertain nonsense.
1, 2. Yes, let's use 1. Thank you very much. That's fine. Thank you.
Thanks, Muta. I couldn't record some of these people because they don't want to be on camera, guys, and they're allowed to say no. It's their legal right to say no, that they don't want to be on camera. It's okay to go on camera. I can't force people to be on camera. Sha, ina ndisi cameraman, and this cameraman by profession na iwe do maybe. Iwewe we autore camera with a camera lady because you think it's easy. Kufamboka bata phone, ushtaura ne vanhu, uchinta na vanhu.
Right, while
and trying to concentrate. I should be having fun. I'm actually doing this for your benefit.
Let's all listen to what's happening here.
Beans, don't go blocker.
Starters, I don't know what's happening in Gogo. And then
don't go blocker.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Brenda, this is my jokes, and I'm going to argue on. China and China condanzin bukarapasi timbochka. Hey, Wanyasha. It's okay to be stressed. That's why we're live. We wanted you guys to also have the experience. But if it's gonna cause me more stress than good, I can come off. Hi, Tekla, love you too. Tekla, love you too. Rangariwana Jesu. Rangariwana Jesu. Rangariwana Jesu. Rangariwana Jesu. Where's your picture, Ace? It's because of the lighting in the mono. Because the light is so good, it's fine. But we're just going to bring in my lights. Thank you, Fundamu. Life is not better than Mugashaya Goda. In Rucho talk with Timon and Program Ruto Rwanda, guys. Thank you guys, I'm trying. Until I'll see Jairus. Hi, Chicken family. Hi. Love you too, people. Makutoka kundi chagira kozi rekuti ndite cameraman. Doctor dariri kozi rekuti ndite cameraman. Dariri visa matoni jairira ka. Changarwa muri mwa. Aiwa ndimbo ini guys, ona ishe. Unoramba muri mwari. Alright, chiboenda kwa SIS MELLY ndibono charger phone. Chenda kwa SIS MELLY. Ndakwenda no charger phone, chatso kaka na baba pa life.